Hi, this is Jeremy Yang with Applied Data Science. This video is to help you prepare for Assignment 8. We'll be looking at some code and a data file which should help you to do Assignment 8 as the tasks are quite similar. Going right to the code, the first line here that we can run reads in the data file. This is RStudio, so we could run the whole R script using the source button, or we can run one command using the run button. So we do that, and it reads in the file, and we can see over on the top right in the environment pane that the auto object has been created with 398 observations of 9 variables. So auto is a data frame with 9 columns. We can see that by using the str command, which is short for structure. It shows us the columns and some of the values. The summary command shows us that and a bit more, including some aggregated statistics for each column, such as the mean and median. Then in the next command, we convert the horsepower column to an integer, which is not guaranteed by the read table command. So we assure that that's true. It may well be a character column at this point. The hist command creates a histogram of that horsepower column. So we needed a numerical value to do that. A histogram shows us the distribution of a numerical variable. And so we see that in the plotting area. There are some what I'd call questionable values for the horsepower of an American automobile here, which I won't get into, but I would say this exploration of the data or exploratory data analysis is an important step for that reason, in part, so that we can see some weirdness or noise or errors that might exist in the data set. Next command creates a new column in the auto data frame, which we call fuel efficient. As logical means it's going to have one of two values, true or false. You can also call that a Boolean or binary variable. And we convert it or transform it from the miles per gallon column, which is numerical, on the condition of whether or not the MPG is greater than 30. So above 30, true, 30 or below, false. So we run that, and then we use the table command to look at that distribution, false and true, which we see below in the console. Another way to look at it might be to use the pi command to show us a very simple but easy to kind of interpret pie chart. We'll stop there with this video and get back to splitting this data set into train and test sets in the next part.